guys, it's Brooke. I never record with my phone, so let's just see how this is going to go. I've been coffee dyeing papers and whatnot throughout the house on the radiators. We have steam heat in the new house. So I thought I would show you that yes, in fact, I am using a pan. I'm not putting the plastic tablecloth nor the paper directly on the radiator. I have a plastic cookie sheet that has, not plastic, that other thing, foil that has some texture on it. And then I have this vinyl crocheted tablecloth that I'm using in between the layers. This is the same way I do it in the summertime in a plastic bin outside, but I'm just doing it inside because the heat is on anyway. So I've got some index cards. Whoops, I'm moving you all about because I'm trying to do this one-handed. I've got index cards. I'm just spraying them. I've got a spray bottle with the remainder of today's coffee in it, giving it a spray. Throw some little ones in there. They might be overlapping. Don't care. I'm going to be moving them around. So we'll just spray them and flip them over. Move that coffee. Whoops. You don't want to see my air fryer. You want to see this. It's hard to watch it through the viewfinder. Okay, this may never see the light of day. Let's see. So they're kind of curled up, and that's not a big deal. Give them another good spray. And what I'm going to do is flatten them out. Yep, I was flipping you about. Just give them a little push down. This one's stuck. There we go. Scoot him down. Oh, this is just awful. If I'm making you seasick, quickly move along. Move along. Save yourselves. Then I'm just laying the layer of paper towel, no, plastic tablecloth, over the whole sheet. Let's see if I can get that. And over the index cards. Normally I would grab a piece of fabric or lace to do the mopping with because then I get the coffee on it too. But I forgot. So I'm just pushing down, absorbing some of the extra coffee and getting that tablecloth pressed down on the index cards real well. And then I'm going to do the same thing with another layer. Try to get them apart. Yeah, one-handed crafting. Tricky. Trickier than a person would have thought. I think you'll get the idea, though. And we'll throw some other ones. Normally I do the whole layer at once. Let's try that. See if I can do that with one hand. That way you get a nice mottled effect with the coffee. Well, I got 2 index cards. That's okay. We'll move them around, spray them up, turn them over. Get those done. Turn that guy that way. Turn that guy that way. Get some spray on this guy that you can't even see. Okay, and I won't go through the whole sheet with you. I usually do about 6 layers. Give that guy that got missed some spray. And again, it's just coffee. It's my leftover breakfast coffee. I think actually from yesterday that I put in this $2 spray bottle from Walmart. It holds a lot. Let's go ahead and turn those guys, get them. Oh, we already did the other side of these, so we're good to go. Oh my gosh, I am just all over the place. That's cool. Again, you'll get the idea. This wasn't something I could take upstairs. So I'm laying the tablecloth back over. I'm going to use my paper towel, sop up some of that extra coffee. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off for a minute and do the other layers and show you how it looks when I put it on the radiator. Okay, be right back. On days where it's not so cold, it'll take longer, obviously, but I find that if it sits for a while without the heat coming on, the impressions from the tablecloth are even better. So I will come back when this is dry and we'll take a peek at the results. Once again, sorry for the shoddy video quality. I'm not used to this phone thing. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. It's about an hour later and the radiator's been going pretty steadily, but we had a lot of layers. Um, so I'm just pulling back the tablecloth. Ooh, look, we're gonna get super cool patterns. Top layer is still pretty damp. Probably shouldn't have moved those, huh? But I'm just gonna take the whole thing and flip it over. There we go. Oh, and I was just making you look at the wall. Yeah, I gotta practice this videoing by hand thing. All right, so I'm gonna go, even the bottom layer still feels pretty damp, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the radiator and I'll check back with you. Bye. Hi guys, it's about 4:30 and I've pulled the index cards off the radiator again. This is after we flipped them and they are looking beautiful. And they are getting dry enough that I think what I'm going to do now is take the plastic tablecloth out and stir up the index cards and let them just dry directly on the pan without the plastic to see if that'll speed them up. And it looks like they've already got their marks on them, and nice marks. So I will come back and show you the final product and tell you how long it took. Okay, bye.